I was born in a back alley about a year ago. My mama was a stray like me. Where she is now, I don't know. I've been chased and I've been yelled at. I've lived most my life in fear. But you can call me lucky, since I wound up here. Choose me. I'm a good dog, I don't bite, and I'd love to fall asleep beside your bed every night. Choose me. I'm looking for a home, and I'll be the best friend you've ever known. Wait and see. Choose me. Well, I was cold and wet and hungry. I was living on the street. I had to go through garbage cans just to find a bite to eat. Then one day a man caught me. I admit I was afraid, but they cleaned me up and fed me. Then they put me in this cage. Choose me. I'm a good dog, I don't bite, and I'd love to fall asleep beside your bed every night. Choose me.